Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. And today's our topic is preparation of calibration curve for amino acids preparation of regions. So, the Lorry Si protein by the following reaction has been the mostly widely used method to estimate the amount of the proteins. So, first the proteins are pretreated with copper ion in alkali solution, and then the achromatic amino acid with treated sample reduced to the phosphopolydiamide acid present in the following regions. So generally the what is the material required for further procedure is glassware, glass tubes, semi-microcubates, spectrophotometer, bovine serum, albumin, following region, sodium tetrate, copper sulfate and other chemicals. Preparing the solution is the Lorry solution is the mixture of the above chemicals. Expect the following region. The Lorry solution should be prepared fresh at the day of the measurement. So the individual solution for the Lorry solution can be prepared in advance and then mixed at the day of the measurement. Different than the protocol given by the Gerhardt, and they dissolve separately and compare the protocol. Then solution A is diluted alkali solution, and the solution A is alkaline solution, and the solution B is CuSO4, solution C is tartrate. Mix the solution A, B and C with the ratio of volume 100 ratio plus 1 ratio and the 1. That means solution 1 in the 100 ratio, and the solution 1 is the 1 ratio, and solution C is the ratio 1. So total ratio is the 100, 1, 1, 1. So then the what is the BA standard protein solution is the, although BAC is the water soluble protein, it takes the time to dissolve in completely. So prepare the stock solution and keep it the mix within a for a 1 hour before starting the experiment. And for the procedure is we are the now we are discussing what is the procedure. Wear gloves, goggles, lab coats. Generally take the sample out of the freezer. Prepare the stock BCA solution. Prepare Lorry solution. When totally thawed, vortex properly. Then vortex sample and dilute it well properly. Then mixed in the pipette mat at this step. Then add 0.7 ml of Lorry solution to the tubes. Further, you can use the 1000 ml of pipette cap and vortex briefly to the mixed vortex to the approx 3 to 4 times and incubate for 20 minutes at the room temperature in the dark. At the last 5 minutes, prepare the dilute following regions. After 20 minutes of incubation, take the sample out and add 0.1 ml of diluted following regions. Then further incubate once more at 30 minutes or longer at the room temperature in dark. While waiting, turn on the UV spectrophotometer. Before using the UV spectrophotometer, please taking the uh, first of all you have to take a qubits. After 30-minute vortex sample is the briefly transfer the samples in semi micro disposable qubits, and further prepare the calibration curves for the apps and reading of the standard calculation for the protein content and the samples in the BSA. So this is the general procedure of the preparation of for the preparation of general amino acid preparation of further regions and how to see a calibration curves. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University. Thank you.